Today I'm going to show you how to install EasyAntiCheat in Steam using a quick fix guide that can solve missing file issues and help your game launch properly again. This is a simple method that works for many Steam games when EasyAntiCheat is missing, broken, or not installing the way it should. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more fast gaming fixes and tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open Steam and go to the game that is giving you the EasyAntiCheat problem. Before we do anything else, we need to locate the game files on your computer. Open File Explorer and navigate to your Steam folder. In most cases, that will be Steam, then Steam Apps, then Common. This is where Steam stores the installed game folders. Inside the Common folder, look for the folder related to your game. Once you find it, open it and look for the EasyAntiCheat folder. If that folder is there, delete it. Don't worry, this is part of the fix. Removing the folder helps clear out broken or incomplete anti-cheat files so Steam can rebuild them cleanly. After deleting the EasyAntiCheat folder, go back to Steam, click on Library, then right-click the game you want to fix and select Properties. In the Properties window, go to Installed Files. Here you'll see an option called Verify Integrity of Game Files. Click that option and let Steam start scanning the game. This step is really important because Steam will check your installation for missing or damaged files. If EasyAntiCheat files were removed or corrupted, Steam can reinstall the missing files automatically during the verification process. Depending on the size of the game and your connection, this may take a few minutes, so give it time to finish. Once the verification is complete, Steam may replace missing files and restore the EasyAntiCheat components the game needs. After that, the next step is to make sure the game has the proper permissions to install everything correctly. To do that, go back to the game's executable file in the installation folder. Right-click the game.exe file and choose Run as Administrator. Running the game as administrator can help EasyAntiCheat install properly because it gives the game the permissions it needs to make changes on your system. This is especially helpful if the anti-cheat setup was failing because of access restrictions. If the game opens and EasyAntiCheat starts working again, then the fix was successful. If it still doesn't launch, repeat the verification step one more time and make sure you're launching the correct executable as administrator. In some cases, a full restart of your PC after verifying the files can also help the installation complete properly. And that's it. You've now gone through the main steps to install EasyAntiCheat in Steam and fix the most common missing file issues. This method is quick, safe, and usually enough to get your game running again without a full reinstall. If this tutorial helped, please leave a like, subscribe for more quick gaming fixes, and comment below if you want help with another Steam error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.